If your team isn't listening, it's not because they don't care, it's because you stopped communicating in a way that connects. Hey there, Restaurant Pro. I'm David Scott Peters, creator of the Restaurant Prosperity Formula and your coach. Today, we're tackling one of the most frustrating problems you'll ever face when your team tunes you out. Number one, communication drives culture. How you talk to your team determines how they talk to you and each other. On a leadership call, I told my team, owners who won't communicate expectations clearly either don't want to develop their managers or suck at it. If you're vague, reactive, or inconsistent, you're teaching your team to guess, not execute. Your words set the tone for accountability. If you say it, mean it. If you expect it, measure it. Number two, your tone teaches behavior. Tone matters more than titles. Christina had a manager whose harsh tone killed morale. We worked on tone, empathy, and communication. I told her you can't demand respect, you have to model it. Once she slowed down and coached her manager to listen before reacting, the energy changed. Your tone is the thermostat of your culture. Number three, listening is leadership. Joanna was running multiple restaurants where communication had broken down between locations. They started bringing managers together weekly, not to lecture, but to listen. That single change rebuilt trust and created teamwork across locations. When people feel heard, they start caring again. Number four, feedback fuels growth. Silence kills culture. When you avoid feedback, you create confusion. Feedback is oxygen. Without it, your team suffocates under assumptions. Make feedback routine, not dramatic, short, specific, and consistent. That's how you turn silence into success. Number five, communication creates ownership. When communication gets clear, consistent, and respectful, your team starts taking responsibility, not just direction. You don't have to yell. You don't have to repeat yourself 20 times. You just have to connect, clarify, and coach. When that happens, your restaurant doesn't just run smoother, it runs smarter. So remember, Restaurant Pro, if your team's not listening, start by checking the mirror. Your words build culture, your tone teaches behavior, and your listening builds trust. That's leadership communication, and it's how you build a team that actually follows your lead. Be sure to join me live every Friday at 8 a.m. Pacific time on YouTube, travel schedule permitting, where I'll get you pumped about the upcoming weekend, get you excited about crushing your goals and finding the motivation to be best you possible. Plus, I'll answer your burning questions live.